Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 70 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. And boy, I cannot tell you how happy I am to see day 69 in our rear view window. Yesterday was so hard. Oh my goodness. And today feels like a breeze. I don't know if it's because yesterday was so hard, but today's exercise 105, 106, this one's fun. So I'm curious if you find this easy or hard. I'd love to know if this is just individual or if these are genuinely, like some of them are just weird and hard.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Here is exercise 105. We're going up 4 notes, down a second, and then down a third. Exercise number 106 is a little bit similar, but it's kind of an inversion. So we're starting with the da 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 da. So we're down a second, then we go up 4 notes, actually 5 notes. Well, it depends what you're thinking. Okay, you can do like a neighbor tone, da da da, right? Then da da da, up to the 4th. Then you're going skipping down the 3rd, da 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 da, right? And here is exercise 106. The hardest part about that one, I feel, is making that jump down from the, yeah? Those ones, okay?